Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn how to draw a duckling. Duck babies are called duckling. Here the duckling is ready. It's looking too cute. I have colored it with yellow color. Now we'll go for the favorite fruit, that is a pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit and it is very necessary for our body. Here it is ready. Now we'll draw an insect which is an ant. Yes, ant are of two colors, that is red and black. You can color it with only one color, which is red or black. So here we have done. Now we'll go for a baby leopard. What is a baby leopard called? A baby leopard is called a cub. Yes, so here we are drawing a baby leopard which is a cub. So here it is ready. Now we will go for the coloring part. This is the final look. Now we will learn how to draw a baby seal. Baby seal is the cutest creature on the earth. Yes. What is a baby seal called? It is called a pup. P-U-P, pup. Yes. Now we'll color it with this blue color, and this is lying on an iceberg. This is completed. Here we will learn how to draw a flamingo. Flamingo is a very large bird which is of pink color, and they always migrate in a group. You cannot see any flamingo single. Now in this video we will learn how to draw a baby pup. What is a baby pup? Here a slender is holding a baby pup. Yes, slender is an animal also known as mongoose. Now this is a slender and he is holding its baby called pup. Now we'll go for drawing our angel. Now here this is the outline and the outer body of the angel. We'll go for the coloring part and guess in which movie you saw this angel. Here we will learn how to draw an ice cream shake. I love ice cream shakes. Do you love it? But you should not eat ice cream or ice cream shakes in winter season. Now we will learn how to draw an ice cream. We will learn how to draw an ice cream. Ice creams are very much loved food in kids, and yes, I also love it. Here in this video we will learn how to draw a sweet corn. When the sweet corn we should eat? When it should be eaten every time, because it's too tasty, right? Here we will learn how to draw a carrot. Carrots are very necessary for our body because it gives very much nutrition to our body. So here is the final look of our carrot. Thank you for watching our video.